Wow! What a beautiful morning on the country road! What's going on? The sky is turning dark with dark clouds and thunder. Oh no! Rocks are falling! The road is blocked by rocks and trees. We need help! The rescue vehicles are taking a break. The alarm is ringing. Ring, ring, ring. Lucy woke up in a panic and called everyone to wake up. It was raining heavily. They reached the blocked road and got to work. Lucy is trying to lift the fallen trees into Ben's bucket. Ben fell asleep again while Lucy was working. Wake up, Ben! John has come. He will clear the big rocks. He is very strong. The rocks were cleared very quickly. Gibson will clean up the remaining mud. Wow! It's great the road is back to normal. Yeah! Working together makes things easier.